Welcome to the Divine Appetit. Today we're on the Blackstone. What are we grilling? Peaches. And you're saying, huh? It's peach season. We're gonna make some peach barbecue sauce. We want to get a little caramelization on these, and then we're going to take them inside. Now we're going to hit our pan with a little bit of olive oil and some butter. Now I'm adding half a chopped big Vidalia onion. We're going to cook them nice and low and slow and let them soften up. Some salt and black pepper, some minced garlic, a can of crushed fire roasted tomatoes, some apple cider vinegar, our spices, some W sauce. Let's get our peaches back to the party. Some brown sugar. We're going to adjust all these spices as we cook it, depending on how sweet or tangy you want it. You could put more sugar, more vinegar. We're still going to add some more stuff though, probably some honey and molasses. We're going to let this continue cooking down on low till it thickens up, and we're mashing the stuff up as we go. We might hit it with an immersion blender, but we kind of like it chunky too. Now let's smooth it out a little bit. I'm going to stop there. The only thing this needs is a little salt, but I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching, and check out the recipe in the link below. God bless.